Picture.
Sir, you have seen the response today. So, how is the overall feeling? What is? Are you confident of the winning this
Now
election?
you have seen, whether you have seen or not.
We have seen,
This is
sir.
my question.
We have seen, sir.
So what is your observation?
We can't.
What do you think?
We can't give
You
any
should
comments.
say, you are also human being, na? So you should also say you have seen a large number of people have come here, and I am sure that we are going to win. And our Modi ji already said that our target is 370. I hope it will go beyond that. And our target is with the alliance partner will go beyond 400. I don't know where it will go ultimately. So I'm sure that this time from east and west, both the constituencies, we are going to win. And today this east parliamentary constituency, our candidate is Maharani Kriti Singh Debbarmani Mahadaya. So along with her and our Motha founder Maharaja Kirit Vikram Kishore Debbarmani, we all went to submit the nomination.
Thanks.
Expectation or how do you see it? No, I had expected people to turn up, and I'm very happy to see so many of our Twiprasarwchapmwng brothers and sisters and people from other communities as well came together, and to see so many people who are from different communities, different religion, different background come together and support the joint candidate between Motha and BJP is something that I always wanted to see, communal harmony. And if this is the way we all go ahead, then I think we can actually see everyone develop in our state.
Thanks. And you are confident of winning?
I never get into anything without being confident of winning. I think in life, one should never go with an attitude that you will lose. When there was a brew accord, when I went and I fought for my young people, I never thought that we will lose. I knew that we will win. When I got into the ADC, I knew we will win. When I got into the assembly elections, all of us as a team, we knew that we were going to fight without compromising. And when the historic accord was being signed, even at that time, I knew that we will do something so that my community can get something. And today, we are sending a candidate which will support our accord in Delhi and which will not work against our interests. So actually, if we can work for positivity, then I'm sure there are many good people who want the Twiprasarwchapmwng people to come up, even from different communities. So my idea is what? My idea is to uplift my community, not fight against anybody else. And if this is the gathering that I see, then I'm sure we will win by a record margin, not just in the east, but also in the west.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Now you have filed the nomination.
Yes.
So, what is your feeling? What is your message to the people of Tripura?
Well, I think we are very positive, and we have got a fantastic team, and we will definitely win the coming election. There's no doubt about it. We'll try our best, but we will win. Thank you so much.
How was the response you have seen?
You all have seen the response better than me, so I'm sure you all will be able to give a better feedback. Thank you.
You're confident enough.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
so much.